Guys, pa-rate naman po. Gusto ko lang malaman kung okay lang ba yung laro ko. Kung may pag-asa ba akong sumikat. Kung meron bang nabibilib sa gameplay ko. Gusto ko lang malaman mga idol kasi minsan kasi parang gusto ko nang itigil yung laro eh. Kaya sana ma-rate nyo ako guys. Kung papagpatuloy ko pa ba to o ititigil ko na. Ang hirap kasi kapag hindi mo alam kung meron pang nagtitiwala sa laro mo eh. Husgahan nyo ako guys, basta yung totoo. Kung ititigil ko na ba to, okay lang kahit sabihan nyo ako ng BOBO or walang kwenta yung laro, ayos lang, basta yung totoo lang. Kung may pag-asa bang makilala yung YouTube channel ko at kung mayroong naghihintay na magandang bukas sa gusto kong tahaking mundo, pa-comment dyan guys, 1 to 10. Pag mas marami yung 6 pataas, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Pero pag mas marami yung comment na 5 pababa, tigil na lang natin to.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, keep my way in to be put down.